So we talked about composing functions to build more complex and interesting functions. We can also combine predicates to build more complex predicates. Let me show you. So I'm going to declare two predicates. A predicate of a string called has left brace. So str goes to str that starts with a left brace. That's a small reusable predicate. Call the second predicate has right brace. And here we call the ends with method and pass a right brace. Now we can combine these predicates. Let me show you. So if you type has left brace dot, look, we have and, negate, and or. These are equivalent to the logical and, the logical or, and the not operator in Java. So let's say has left brace, and here we should pass a second predicate. So we pass has right brace. Now this returns a new predicate. We can store it over here and call it has left and right braces. And then, just like any other predicate, we can use that to test an object. So we call the test method and pass a string like this, key colon value. This returns the result. In this case, the result is true because this string has both the left and right braces. Now we can also combine two predicates using a logical or. So in this case, we get a new predicate, and this returns true if our input string has either the left or the right brace. Now, what about the negate method? That is pretty straightforward. So we call the negate method, and this returns a new predicate that does the opposite of the first predicate. So this is how we can combine predicates.